Hello everyone, welcome to Mathtics. You can be a part of this platform by visiting www.mathtics.org. Dear students, you can discuss your math problems here. I would try my level best to make your concepts clear. Let's start our today's lecture. I have these two questions right there. After these two questions we will have more, but for now we can do these two. This is question number 3. In this question it says points A, B and C are all on the circumference of the circle. O represents the center. DA and DB are tangents to the circle. Angle BDO is 31 degrees. You can see it everything in the diagram. Work out the size of the angle X. Okay students, if you look at this diameter which is B to C, diameter is the line which crosses at the center of the circle, and if you look at this, there is the straight line which is making three angles on it. X is the first angle, second angle is this, and third angle is this. If we know the values of the second angle and third angle, then we will use the property of angles on a straight line. So let's see how can we figure out this angle 2. This is the main target, and this angle 3. Basically these two angles will be equal to each other by using the same property that we did in the previous, because this angle will be equals to 31 degrees. These two triangles are similar, that's why this is 90, this is 90. Now our target is to do this angle 2 and angle 3. So let's do some work. We have angle 2 plus 90 degree plus 31 degree will be equals to 180 degrees. So angle 2 according to this equation will be equals to 180 minus 90 minus 31, which is 59 degrees. So that means this angle is 59 degrees. We can directly write this value. This is 59 degree. Obviously this one would also be 59 degree. So our next equation, what would be that? We have angle X, this one, plus 59 plus 59, and these three angles will be equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so we have 59 times 2, which is 118. So we can write this 118 over here. That will be equals to 180. So 180 minus 118 will be equals to 62 degrees. So our answer is known now. This X is 62 degrees, and we can highlight this answer over there. Okay, so most of the properties that we applied on this question were similar to the previous question, so it's the same thing. Okay, and then there is this question number 4. It says points A, B and C are all on the circumference of the circle. O represents the center. Angle AOB is equal to 2x plus 28, which is also the central angle, and angle ADB is equal 3x minus 70. Calculate the value for x. Okay, so our target is to find x. So student, there is one statement. Statement is that in a cyclic, okay, I can write it for you. In a cyclic quadrilateral, which is inscribed in a circle. Okay, cyclic quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. Opposite angles add up to 180. So this is the property. Okay, in a cyclic quadrilateral which is inscribed in a circle, opposite angles add up to 180. So that means if we consider this, okay, cyclic quadrilateral is ADBC. This whole shape is the cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, and if we look at the angle which is at the circumference, like this angle and that angle which is at C, these two angles will give us the sum 180. Means to say angle D plus angle C will be equals to 180 degree. So angle D is known to us. We can write its value, which is 3x minus 70. But what about the angle C? We can have this angle C if we take half of this angle, which is the central angle, because C is at the circumference and the angle which is at the circumference is the half of the angle which is at the center, like 2x plus 28 whole divided by 2 will be equals to 180 degrees. So overall the situation is 3x minus 70 plus x plus 14 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now let's simplify. We have 3x and then plus 1x. These two are the terms that are with the x, so it would give us 4x, and then there is 14 minus 70 which is minus 56 will be equals to 180. 4x will be equals to 180 plus 56, which is gonna give us 236. So that means x will be equals to 236 divided by 4, which is 59. So the final answer of this x value is 59, which is the value of the variable x, and that variable was involved in the angles. Okay, so C was basically x plus 14. I can also write it for your understanding. If you have any question from these any confusion, you can ask me right now. Okay, no. My dear students, if I am successful in explaining you this topic, then subscribe this channel. I will come back with another short video. Don't forget to book your slot. Thanks for your time. All the best and have a good day.